Ever thought about how to stand out in today's competitive job market? Have you heard of the saying, opportunity comes to those who are prepared? The answer often lies in our existing skills and experiences and our drive for continuous learning and professional development. In an ever-evolving world, staying ahead of the curve means constantly upskilling, and one effective way to do this is through certifications. Certifications carry weight. They augment our qualifications and bolster our resumes, and more importantly, they can significantly increase our job prospects. They are a testament to our commitment to learning, a seal of our proficiency in a particular area, and a beacon that signals to potential employers, hey, I've got what it takes. So, whether you're eyeing a promotion, a career change, or a high-paying remote job, investing time in acquiring these certifications could be your game changer. Let's explore some platforms that offer free certification courses for high-paying remote jobs. First on our list is Facebook Blueprint, a goldmine for those interested in digital marketing. This platform aims to arm you with the skills to master Facebook ads and Google Analytics. Now, you might be wondering why these skills are essential. Well, in digital marketing, companies constantly strive to reach their audiences most effectively, and this is where targeted advertising comes in. Facebook Blueprint is a free online training program for advertising on Facebook and Instagram. It offers a series of self-paced online courses and learning paths with the opportunity to earn industry-recognized certifications. These certifications validate your proficiency in Facebook's suite of products and services, proving that you have the skills to help businesses build effective advertising strategies and achieve their marketing objectives. But it doesn't stop at Facebook ads. Google Analytics is another essential tool in your digital marketing toolkit. This powerful platform allows businesses to understand how their audience interacts with their website and online content. By mastering Google Analytics, you can help businesses gain valuable insights into their audience's behavior and preferences, enabling them to make data-driven decisions that can significantly improve their marketing strategies. The beauty of Facebook Blueprint is that it provides comprehensive training in these highly sought-after skills. Whether you're a newbie in the digital marketing sphere or an experienced marketer looking to upskill, Facebook Blueprint provides the resources you need to become proficient in these areas. Earning a certification from Facebook Blueprint demonstrates your expertise and makes you stand out in the competitive job market. It shows potential employers that you have the skills and knowledge to leverage social media platforms effectively for marketing purposes, which is invaluable in today's digital landscape. So, whether you're looking to break into the digital marketing industry or you're an experienced professional looking to improve your skills, Facebook Blueprint is a fantastic starting point. With Facebook Blueprint, you can turn social media platforms into powerful marketing tools. Remember, in today's digital age, effectively leveraging social media for marketing is no longer a nice-to-have but a must-have skill. Next up is Google Skillshare, a platform that offers a wide range of courses. One that comes highly recommended is the course on digital marketing. Digital marketing is an umbrella term that includes an array of strategies and techniques for promoting products or services online. It's a versatile skill set that can be applied across various industries. In today's world, where the shift towards online commerce and marketing is not just a trend, but a necessity, proficiency in digital marketing is in high demand. It's no longer just about traditional marketing methods. Today, it's about reaching the right audience at the right time through the proper digital channels. It's about understanding the nuances of SEO or search engine optimization, PPC, pay-per-click advertising, and content marketing. It's about knowing how to navigate the digital landscape and utilize the tools and platforms available to create effective marketing campaigns. The Google Skillshare course on digital marketing offers all of this and more. It provides comprehensive training on various aspects of digital marketing, from understanding the basics to mastering advanced strategies. The course is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to develop and implement effective digital marketing strategies and campaigns. By completing the course and obtaining certification, you're not just adding another qualification to your CV. You're demonstrating your expertise in a field that is rapidly growing and evolving. You're showing potential employers that you have the skills and knowledge they need to help their business thrive in the digital age. And the best part? It's not just about the job prospects. The skills you acquire through this course can also be used to promote your own projects or businesses. You can use them to help a friend or family member boost their online presence. Or you can use them to start a new career as a freelance digital marketer. The possibilities are endless. Google Skillshare can equip you with the digital marketing expertise that employers are actively seeking. So why wait? Start your journey into the world of digital marketing today. Moving on to edX, a platform that gives you access to courses from prestigious universities. That's right, edX isn't just any learning platform. It's a gateway to knowledge and insights from some of the world's leading educational institutions. Think Ivy League level education right at your fingertips. edX offers a plethora of courses across a vast array of subjects. Whether your interest lies in the realm of computer science or you have a knack for business management, edX has got you covered. It's like a buffet of knowledge where you can fill your plate with the subjects that align with your career goals and personal interests. Just imagine learning about artificial intelligence from the brilliant minds at Harvard, or delving into the intricate world of business strategy with professors from Wharton. It's not just about the knowledge you gain, but also about the credibility these renowned institutions lend to your qualifications. But it's not only about the what you learn, it's also about the how. edX provides a flexible learning environment, allowing you to learn at your own pace from anywhere in the world. It's about making quality education accessible and convenient. Completing courses on edX is more than just ticking off a box on your to-do list. It's about showcasing your commitment to continuous learning and professional development. It's about demonstrating to potential employers that you're proactive, diligent, and always willing to enhance your skill set. Remember, in today's fast-paced digital world, standing still is the same as moving backward. So, keeping up with emerging trends and constantly upgrading your skills is crucial. And edX provides the perfect platform to do just that. With edX, you can tailor your learning path to your career goals and demonstrate your commitment to professional development. So, whether you're looking to break into a new field, climb the corporate ladder, or simply satiate your thirst for knowledge, edX is a resource you definitely want to tap into. Lastly, we have Skillshare, known for its vast library of courses on creative and technical skills. One course that stands out from the rest is video editing. Now, you might wonder, why video editing? Why is it worth investing my time in this particular skill? The answer lies in the current digital landscape. We live in an era where content creation has seen an unprecedented surge. From YouTube videos to Instagram Reels, from TikTok clips to LinkedIn presentations, video content is everywhere. And it's not just about creating videos, it's about creating high-quality, engaging, and professional-looking videos that captivate the audience and tell a compelling story. This is where the role of a skilled video editor comes into play. Video editors are the unsung heroes behind every successful video content. They are the ones who transform raw footage into a polished piece of art that resonates with the audience. They have the power to manipulate visuals and audio, add special effects, and create a seamless narrative that stirs emotions and leaves a lasting impact. What's more, the demand for skilled video editors is on the rise. With the proliferation of content creation across various platforms, businesses and content creators alike are in constant need of professionals who can edit videos efficiently. Whether it's a small startup looking to promote their product through a catchy video, or a YouTuber needing to edit their vlogs, the opportunities are endless for skilled video editors. This is where Skillshare comes in. Their video editing course is designed to equip you with the necessary expertise in this field. From understanding the basics of video editing software to mastering advanced editing techniques, the course covers it all. And the best part? Once you complete the course, you receive a certification that validates your skills and adds value to your portfolio. Certification in video editing from Skillshare can equip you with the necessary expertise to meet the demands of today's content creators and businesses. So why wait? Take the plunge and start your journey towards becoming a skilled video editor today. Remember, every great video you see out there started with someone pushing the edit button. So, there you have it. 4 platforms that can provide you with free certification courses for high-paying remote jobs. We've traversed the digital landscapes of Facebook Blueprint, Google Skillshop, EDX, and Skillshare, each offering unique opportunities to bolster your qualifications and increase your marketability. These platforms are more than just a learning resource. They're a stepping stone to a brighter future, a competitive edge in an increasingly digital world. Remember, in a job market as diverse and expansive as ours, having these certifications under your belt doesn't just open doors, it propels you through them. They're a testament to your skills, your dedication, and your willingness to continuously learn and adapt. So, don't let this chance slip by. Dive into these platforms, harness your potential, and inch closer to that dream job of yours. And as you embark on this journey, remember one thing: always keep learning. I will leave the links to the websites mentioned in the video. If you have questions, kindly endeavor to put them in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe.